everyone, it is Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it's another Coaster Friday. I'm going to make a couple of coasters using the UnicornSpit and some resin, and these coasters are easy and they turned out great. I'm using UnicornSpit to do this, and it comes in so many beautiful colors, and I'm not sure exactly which colors I'm using, but probably a combination of this pink, this green, a blue, a purple, and a yellow. So we'll just see how it all goes. And I'm going to just spritz some into my tray. So here are my colors. And now I'm going to do these coasters. And I just bought these wood pieces at the craft store. So I'm going to take a combination of colors, put it right on there, and see how they blend together so nicely. Now I'm taking a couple more colors. I'm not washing my paintbrush. You can wipe off any excess. And the colors are going to blend some more, and they look really pretty. And then I'm going to do the edges too. I'll wipe that off. And now we're going to just let it dry. So I have the top and the edges done. And I'm going to do the same on this one, but maybe I'll just switch up the color order. Now I'm going to just let these dry, and then we're going to put resin on them, and we're going to see how beautiful they look after. The UnicornSpit has dried, and now I'm just going to take some resin that I've mixed and pour it right on. And we'll see how beautiful that becomes. And I'm going to just take this sponge brush that I have and move it to the sides. And you don't have to use a brush. You can just move it around with your stir stick. I'm trying to keep as much control as I can over this so that it doesn't seep over the edges too much. But look how pretty it becomes and how you can see the grain of the wood. Okay, I'm going to brush right on the edges here. Make sure I get all the edges. Now I'm going to take my lighter, run it over, pop the bubbles. I'm just going to let it cure for a minimum of 12 hours before I even touch it. Our coasters have cured, and look how pretty they are. Look at the different colors, and obviously you could do any design. I went with the green and just mixed some colors just to kind of see how it would work, and I think they're really beautiful. So I did not finish off the backs because you can either finish off the back, cover it with resin, and put it on like some silicone dots on there. You could put a piece of felt underneath it. But even easier than that, I'm going to take a roll of cork, cut a couple pieces to size. It's already sticky on the back. All you have to do is peel the lining. Get it on there just right. And now you have your coaster with the cork backing. Super easy. There you go. Now you have 2 super cool coasters. I hope you guys like the UnicornSpit coasters. They were so fun and so easy, and I hope you give them a try. If you're watching this on YouTube, remember to subscribe so you don't miss a thing, and remember to ring the bell. You can also find me on Facebook, and I started a Facebook group, and it's called Creating with Klatch. I will also have a link to that down in the description below. So you can join the fun and people sharing and helping each other. And it's just a group of people that have been following me on YouTube and Facebook, and we just kind of share our ideas and help each other out. So be sure to head over there to join that group as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.